Okay, I got the old one out, cleaned it. This is the new one. They didn't bother cleaning it before they shipped it, so. Also, there's a lot going on with the parts. But it's better than it was.
I'm glad you're getting videos of all this.
I really didn't want to touch the gears because
What?
I didn't want to mess with the gears because that'll get all cat in the hat. It's not dirty, it's just greasy.
No, they'll work. They just got grease on them. Let's just stick it in. Okay.
Just like that.
Well, look, this has the connectors on it too. Might be able to connect them.
Oh shit, I should have taken the other ones off before we...
What?
Should have taken the other ones off. The reason we cut them is I couldn't get my hands in there.
No. This will plug into. See.
I know, but we gotta unplug those first.
Yeah.
We're in the same spot. I can't get my hands in there.
Well, you want to move it over? Just lift it up and move it over.